Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this clean and dirty dishwasher magnet. For the materials, you'll need a wood slab coaster, a vinyl cutout, Mod Podge, magnets, black and a color paint, a paintbrush, and permanent glue. First, paint one side of the coaster with black paint. Let it dry. Then stick the vinyl cutout on the coaster. Paint over the letters with the other color paint. Let it dry. Then peel off the vinyl cutout. After that, seal the wood with Mod Podge. Let it dry. Once it's dry, flip the coaster over and glue a magnet to the back. And that's it! It's so cute and it's a great way to remember when to run the dishwasher. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching.